Hey, JTX Outdoors here, guys. We are on night 2 at Palo Pinto Lake here, Blue Zone. We are down here at the floating dock. My wife and I have been fishing all day. Some crazy stories here that y'all are about to see. Uh, it's been hot, but the cold front came in earlier. We were fishing in the rain. Right now it's more humid than anything. So if you see a little sweat, it's probably because of my weight, but also the humidity. But hey, what can I say? Tea time. And yeah, so Brandy caught a couple bluegill today and catfish. Is that right?
I believe so.
And
Getting my days all mixed up, but yeah.
so I caught a freshwater drum. Crazy. I haven't caught a freshwater drum on a spin bait before and was not expecting that. Good size, 4 to 5 pounder. We also caught a 8 pound channel cat, and then right at the beginning of the evening when we came down here, I caught a bass for the first time on this trip. So a little 1 pounder, little dink. But crazy story about that. You'll see in the video. Boop! Out goes the line. Say, hey, Brandy, perfect cast.
Let's go here towards the rocks. Oh, the perfect cast. Oh, you bit it? I think I got something. Pretty sure I got something. What is it, guys? Oh yeah, I got something. Look at that, first bass. First bass of the trip. Look at that, guys. Mira nomás. Shoo! And I just said,
5 seconds later, got him. Reeled it in. The hook was kind of set in a weird position, trying to grab it without having to go to the hospital because I'd rather be here right now than the ER. And so it ended up falling off, but I did touch it, so it counts. Y'all see that. But yeah, so that's been our day in a nutshell so far. We got some half of bluegills out here looking for gar, alligator gar, or some big cats this evening. Got the lights turned on. Gonna enjoy some cold beer, probably some pizza because we've been cooking the last 2 nights, and take it easy. And then tomorrow is day 3 of the adventure, so stay tuned.